Hey guys, George Handyman Hints, and today I'm doing a video, quick video, really quick for me, um, on this toilet handle actually. I keep a couple of spares around for this because over the years, they're plastic, they're just, what they are is what they are. So in here, I already replaced it, but I don't know if I could see the crack in this thing. Let me see if I can. It's really hard to see it. I don't know if you see that opening or not. But right in here, right in, gotta do both, it's in here. So it's about to break off. So I figure before it breaks off, let me see if I can get in a little closer here. Yeah, and you can see it now. It's split apart there. Anyway, so it's really an easy fix. What you do when this is in the toilet here, okay, there's a nut. I'm gonna put it back on and I'll show you the new one. I should have done it one shot here. Just bear with me with the moving the camera everywhere. So, okay, so anyway, so this gets shoved through this tank into here on an angle. So what you do is you'll come in like this, pull it in, shove that in there, okay? And the square part lines up with the square in the ceramic in here, okay? Anyway, it goes in there. Then you take the nut. Let me pull this thing away. Okay, you take this nut and you pull it all the way through and on, okay? Now, I'm just gonna pause the video and open this up. Now in here, I got a lot of, I have well water. So I have what's called magnesium, and it makes the whole thing like black on the inside. I mean, it did initially, and to clean all that out, then you start ruining the components in it. So I just left it. It doesn't affect the water. The water's clear, but it just stuck to the sides. So that's what you're gonna see in here. It's like dark, but I'll open it up. Okay, so you see what I'm saying? Looks almost like the water's black. It's not though. It's clear. All right, so anyway, so you shove this thing through. This nut here, okay, is, so to tighten it, you got to go counterclockwise, reverse of normal. Normally, it's, when you're tightening it up, it's clockwise. But in this one, it's reversed, okay? You don't over-tighten these, man. Where you push, you shove this in. I'll get the old one here, okay? You shove it in this way, bring it around, okay? Shove that in, and then take the nut and run it along this rod here, up in there, and then screw it in backwards, counterclockwise, okay? And then what you do also, when you're taking the old one out, obviously, there's a chain here. I'm gonna flush it now. See this chain? Okay, that gets hooked onto wherever your old one was, or you have to feel it out a little bit. You can always just, put it on the hole it's provided, and then you just have to adjust the chain, and the chain is just a clip. And there's a little clip on here. I don't know if I can do this long enough to see this clip where my finger is, right there. Okay, that just clips on, and it clips to the piece of the chain that's below it. You can see that, right? Okay, and basically what you want, see a little bit of tension, a little bit of looseness, okay? And, you just pull her up and she flushes. Okay, yeah, this is kind of gross the way this looks in here, I'll tell you the truth. I'm gonna see if there's a way I can clean this all out without damaging any of the components. But this is well water for you, it's just something you gotta deal with. So anyway, getting back to where we're at. So this gets counterclockwise, and then you run it over here, just like I said, and you pick a hole that's closest to the alignment of your flapper, okay, and the chain, okay. And then you click it on there. Like I said, just leave a little bit of not even tension. Just leave it a little loose like that, just enough. So when you hit this, boom, okay. I mean, she's still filling up, so it's not gonna flush, okay. And that's it, guys. Just a quick video. I thought I should have filmed it later on after the fact, and I didn't feel like taking all this apart again, but It's a quick fix, and these are cheap. This is like, I even have another one. I think they're running around $8. You know, you get them in the Home Depot or Lowe's or whatever. Okay, but they do wear out after a while. I mean, this thing's probably, I don't even know, man. That's probably now, probably about 8 years old, 7 years old. Maybe more, maybe 10 even at this point. I mean, the old ones are metal, but then they corrode. So, you know, either way, she just filled up. So you just hit it. That's it. She'll fill up. All right, guys. Not too interesting of a video, obviously, but some people don't know how to do that. So, you know, hey, anything helps, right? All right, guys. George Handyman Hints. Please like and subscribe. And you guys have a great day. Take care.